Hello, my name is Sanjay Kumar and I am the CEO of Diligence Technologies Private Limited. We are an IT company and we are Salesforce consulting partner, and our company is located in New Delhi, India. And we are going to help candidates in passing their Salesforce admin exam. And for that, we are going to provide some support. Before that, I would like to tell you a story of my friend who has around 17 years of experience in IT, and he is preparing for the Salesforce admin certification from last 2+ years. He has done all the preparation and he is not able to attempt the exam. I'm sure this might be situation with a lot of people, and I attempted the Salesforce admin certification in March this year. And after doing all the preparation, I have gone through the trail mix, I have gone through focus on force exam questions. And even after doing all the preparation, I was not able to get the courage to book my certification exam. And the fear was I might get failed. And I discussed this with my wife, and my wife said that go for it. If you will fail, you can attempt again by paying $100. What's the big deal? So her word gave me a confidence. I booked the exam and I was clear in my first attempt, and I scored more than 80% marks in my certification. After that, I have cleared 2 more exams, Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant and Service Cloud Consultant exam. And those 2 exams were not that difficult for me. So to take care of your concern, take care of your fear, we are going to provide 2 help, 2 supports to you. One is you can set up a call with our expert. In this call, we will evaluate, we will find out how is your preparation, where you need to improve, where you need to put more efforts. And based on those things, you can plan your certification, you can go for it. And I'm sure it will provide you a great support. And second thing is, what we are going to do is, if you fail in your first attempt, we will provide you $100 voucher. You need not to pay the fees for attempting the exam again. It's due on us. We are doing it as our corporate social responsibility and out of our love with Salesforce. This voucher we will be giving for the candidates who have failed in their first exam in Salesforce admin certification. And in a year, we will be providing this voucher to 10 candidates. So all the best for your certification, and contact us if you need any support. I have given the link for setting up the meeting, and I have also given the link to request your voucher. Thank you and have a great career. Thank you.